Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet hats. Here are some benefits of crochet winter hats. Warmth. Crochet hats provide excellent insulation, keeping your head and ears warm in cold weather. Comfort. Made from soft yarn, they are comfortable to wear for extended periods. Breathability. Many crochet hats allow for air circulation, preventing overheating. Custom fit. They can be made to fit any head size, ensuring a snug fit. Versatile style. Available in various designs from beanies to slouchy hats to suit personal preferences. Unique patterns. Crochet allows for intricate and unique patterns that stand out. Creative making or choosing crochet hats allow for personal style and creativity. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. And also don't forget to press bell icon so that you can find all videos notifications. Durability. High quality crochet hats can last for years with proper care. Eco-friendly option. Crochet hats can be made from sustainable or recycled material. Lightweight. They provide warmth without being heavy, easy to care for. Many crochet hats are machine washable or easy to clean by hand. Handmade charm. The artisan quality of crochet adds a special touch compared to mass production items. Gift potential. Dear viewers, if you have any of your beloved friends and you wanna give him very special gift so that he can remember that gift till unlimited years, we have very unique and beautiful idea for you. If you know crocheting, it will be well for you. But if you don't know crochet, don't worry, we have very smart solution for that. Just make contact with the guy who know crocheting and give him the head size of your beloved friend. Really, I'm sure if you give that gift to your beloved friend, he will remember that gift till hundred of years. A handmade crochet hat makes a thoughtful and personalized gift. Color variety. Available in a wide range of colors, allowing for customization to match outfits. Dear viewers, I'm always looking for your beautiful comments about my videos and collections. Whatever your mind is telling, accepting, even positive or negative, please write and leave your beautiful comment in the below, because I'm always trying to get new comments. Whatever you have in your mind, you can text me, no problem. I am always welcome to everyone. Texture variety. Different yarn type and stitches can create interesting texture. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like, so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Warm airs. Many designs cover the ear fully, providing extra warmth where it's needs most. Fashion accessory. Beyond warmth, crochet hats can serve as trendy accessories. Seasonal adaptability can be made in lighter yarn for transitional season or heavier yarn for winter. Easy to make. Crochet hats are often simple projects for beginners, promoting crafting skills. Community building. Crocheting can be a social activity, fostering connections through crafting groups. Therapeutic benefits. The act of crocheting can reduce stress and promote relaxation. No sizing issues. Crochet hats are generally strengthy, accommodating various head shapes. Cultural significance. Many cultures have unique crochet patterns and styles that can be celebrated. Thank you for watching.